is your name?
Aaron.
How old are you, Aaron?
Aaron.
How old are you?
Miss Aaron. John.
How old are you? Ilan taon ka na?
4.
4. Okay. Face on your right. You look there. O, gayahin mo ako. Ganito. Ganito ka, Aaron. You look there. Now, smile at the camera. Okay. Look at the other side. Okay. Smile at the camera. Okay. Face front. Harap na dito. Do you know how to sing? Yes? Okay. What are you going to sing? Okay. What is your favorite song? You know how to sing Twinkle Twinkle? Okay, can you sing now? And sing. Sing ka, sing. You sing now. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Follow. You follow. Okay, what are you going to sing? Marunong ka bang kumanta? Ha? Marunong kang mag-sing? Yes. Okay. O, kaya mo bang kantahin ang Twinkle Twinkle? Okay. Sige nga, parinig mo nga sa akin. Okay. Marunong ka bang mag-dance? You know how to dance? Yes? Okay, smile na lang, Aaron. Smile! When I say action, just pretend you're eating a burger. Okay? So, gawin mo to. So yummy! Okay, gawin mo nga. Again, action. Okay, one more, baby. Smile! Go. So, okay. I want to see naman your sad face. Can you show me your sad face? Show me. Sad face. Malungkot. Okay. Smile.